Folks, Tony here. I'm going to show you how to recognize a few perennials by their leaves and flowers. The one we're looking at now is a bleeding heart. The leaves look like that. The flower looks like that. This is creeping phlox. This blooms in the spring. This is what the leaves look like. It looks almost like needles. They don't really look like leaves. They look like pine needles or something. This is a coral bell. This gets tall stalks on it with little pink flowers or white ones. This is a coneflower. They get probably about 3 foot tall. They can get a variety of different colors. They're also called echinacea. This is an aster. Asters are a mounding perennial. This gets a really pretty purple flower on it in the fall. This is another one that looks a lot like a weed, so you got to be careful not to pull it up. I wish I had some with the flowers on it to show you. I'll try to get pictures of them as they flower. This is a peony, and as you can see, it has buds on it, but it's not blooming yet. This is what the leaves look like. This is bee balm or monandrid. This can get red or pink flowers on it. They get about 3 foot tall. Okay, this is Allum. That's what the flower looks like. The leaves look like long stalks of grass.